Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the system. First, install Xcode command line tools so compilers work. This is necessary. Once done, install Homebrew. This package manager is the foundation. Then update Homebrew and verify the version. These steps allow you to install and manage Python reliably. Make sure each command returns success. If a permission prompt appears, approve it. Now you have the only dependable package flow for Mac Python installations, and you're ready to install Python itself. Next, use pyenv to manage versions cleanly. Install pyenv with brew. Once installed, initialize it in your shell profile so the shims work. Then install the Python version you need, for example 3.11.5, which compiles correctly under Xcode tools. After installation, set pyenv global to that version so system Python is not altered. Verify with Python version. This approach keeps system integrity intact, lets you switch versions, and avoids conflicting Apple-supplied Python. Finally, secure project isolation. Upgrade pip, install pips and pip tools, then create a virtual environment with Python venv. Venv and activate it. Install project dependencies into the venv. This prevents global clutter. Once done, lock dependencies with pip tools for reproducibility. If something goes wrong, check your path ordering so pyenv shims proceed /usr/bin, reinitialize pyenv in your shell, and reinstall the Python build if compilation failed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.